Then I want ice cubes. I will put my ice cubes into this. So I put my ice cube into this. Then I want, for this I want switch battery, fan and motor. Then I will close this box. From this upper holes, point of source, the hot air will come into this. Then because of ice, the cold air will because of ice, the hot air will be transferred into cold air. Then now I will start. Yes, I start my. Now air is coming out. Very cold air is coming out. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Arna Anand Soman. My name is Chaitanya Nandukman. We made a cooler. It gives a thunder. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Tanvi Prakash Jadhav.
My name is Swadesh Sagarpura. We made a AC. We made this with a plastic jar. We place here a battery, motor and button and connect this with a wire. And we place here a fan. When we press the button, the fan will be on and when we feel cool. Wait a minute.
Good morning. My name is Ruchita Chetli. I have made a model of drip irrigation. So I have considered this bottle as a water tank. I have used a plastic bottle, a pipe, a styrofoam cups. So let's see how it works. So we have to open this cap. Then water will travel from these pipes and get distributed to plants in equal amount. The advantage of using drip irrigation is the water is distributed to plants in equal amount, and this model is low in cost, so you can make it easily. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Maya Mukesh. It is the Cadbury machine. Then you press this from chocolates come down and take the chocolate. Thank you.
Good afternoon all of you. Today is National Science Day. I am Ayush Kedare from 6th. On this day I have made a project best out of waste. A windmill. I have used a DC motor.
My name is Abhiram Sharma. I have made water filter. For these things, one plate and put some water in the plate. After that, put some powder. You will see powder or floats on water. Then when I have give one rangoli. When I put rangoli on water, when I put rangoli powder on water, the powder floats on water. This is because dry things floats on water, and wet things sink in water. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Lakshmi Shogarma.
Good afternoon, my name is Omkar.
Today I have made a project based out of waste. the air cooler nowadays the air cooler it is mostly used in summer season. It is on electricity. Is a sex air from front and give cold air from tune. Thank you. The happy science day. Let's see how it works first. He go to the heat air and made a natural cold air. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Chaitanya Sagar Ranade.
Hello everyone, my name is Arush Jankar.
Today we are going to perform a homogeneous formula practical in front of you. Now the yellow color is turned into red. Now we are going to add some lemon. Add some more.
Now the red color comes in orange.
The color changes. Now it has become yellow. Thank you.
My name is Abuzar Sheikh. Today I have made water dispenser. Most water dispenser work by leaving as golden water bottle upside down on the top pressure of the machine. This allows gravity and now pressure to do the job of filling glass when someone pressure water spigot. When this happiness air is allowed into the bottle so water can escape into your glass or bottle like this. I am opening this bottle. Water is coming down like. I am closing this bottle. Water is not coming. Why air is not going on in the bottle? Thank you, teacher.
Good morning, all of you. Today is National Science Day. I am Ayush Kedare from 6. I had made the drip irrigation of the water. You can see, अगर आप गांव में जाएंगे तभी ऐसा दिखेगा पानी की बचत नहीं होती है, फिर पानी ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. तो इसलिए साइंटिस्ट ने ड्रिप इरिगेशन का इन्वेंशन किया और अब हमें खाने मिल रहा है. आप देख सकते हैं इधर से पानी निकल रहा है. देखिए इधर से पानी गिर रहा है, आप देख सकते हैं. क्योंकि अब मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ. इधर देखिए वाटर हैज बीन कमिंग.